Hey everyone, welcome back to the C++ full course. In the last video, we learned how to read and write files in C++. But what if file doesn't exist or something goes wrong while reading? In today's video, we'll fix that using exception handling. Let's say we try to open a file that doesn't exist. Our program might fail or behave unpredictably. Instead of letting it crash, we can handle the situation gracefully using exceptions. Here, we check if the file fails to open, but this approach can get messy if we have multiple checks. That's where try and catch blocks help. Return 1 in the main function means that the program does not execute successfully and there is some error. In C++, we can throw our own exceptions using the throw keyword and handle them using try and catch. Let's create one program using them. If the file doesn't open, we throw a runtime error. The catch block receives it and prints the error. This helps make our program more robust and readable. In C++, the isOpen member function is used to check if a file stream object has successfully opened a file. This function returns a Boolean value, true if the file stream is open and ready for input-output operations, and false otherwise. The exception what used to get string identifying exception. This function returns a null terminated character sequence that may be used to identify the exception. Let's run this program and see the output. As the file does not exist, we got exception caught, file not found. We can also handle invalid user input, like when the user doesn't type anything. So we created a variable name of data type string and asked the user to enter the name. If the name is empty, we'll throw invalid argument saying name cannot be empty. Then we are going to create and write to the file names.txt. We have also used the append mode here. With the if statement, we are checking if the file exists or not. If not, then we throw a runtime error saying unable to open file. Let's just say both the if condition are false here. Then we'll write the name to the file and close it. And on the terminal, we are going to print name saved successfully. And with these catch statements, we are handling each error separately. Let's run this program. Enter your name. Let's just say we are not typing any name. So we got input error, name cannot be empty. Let's write a name. Name saved successfully. And here we have the file names.txt. You can handle multiple error types in one program. C++ will automatically send the error to the correct catch block. This catch block catches any type of error not handled earlier. It's useful as a fallback. Let's build a small file reader that uses exception handling to safely read a file. Let's write our headers, then using namespace std, and in the main we'll write try catch blocks. Inside the try, we'll declare a variable file name of string data type. So let's type string file name and then ask user to enter the file name. After this, we'll check if the file name is empty. If that's true, we'll throw an argument saying file name cannot be empty. So we type if file name dot empty, then throw invalid argument. File name cannot be empty. Now let's check if the file exists or not. For that we write if string file name in the parenthesis, and then if not file, then throw a runtime error saying file not found. Let's say the user types the name of the file and the file exists. Then we want the program to show file contents. Let's first print to the screen file contents, then create a variable line of string data type. With the while loop, we are going to access those contents. Let's close our file using close function and write our catch block. All exceptions are caught under catch const exception ampersand e, since it covers all standard C++ exceptions. Let's also type return 0. Let me run this program. Let's enter the file name with .txt extension. So we got file contains Madhav and ABCDE. Let's say we don't type any file name, then we will get error file name cannot be empty. And if we type a file name that doesn't exist, we'll get file not found. For example, let's type extra.txt. So we got error file not found. And that's how you combine file handling and exception handling in C++. Now your programs can deal with missing files and bad inputs without crashing. In the next video, we'll take your C++ skills to next level by exploring STL algorithms, powerful built-in functions to sort, search, and manipulate data efficiently. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more C++ tutorials. See you in the next one.